Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me here on Big C's Adventures. The question I have for you today is, do you know who this character is? Well, I'll tell you right now, Big Mac was his name, or Officer Big Mac. In McDonaldland, the fictional world created as an advertising campaign for McDonald's, Officer Big Mac was similar to Mayor McCheese, except he was the chief police, wearing a constable uniform and sporting a large Big Mac for a head. Today we are going to talk about the history of the Big Mac.
Beef patties, pickles, sauce, lettuce, cheese, and there's pickles. No.
Pickles, cheese,
Lettuce and onion, sesame, all seed bun.
I think they're describing a big...
2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
Say that again.
2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, onions, pickles, onions on a list.
McDonald's Big Mac, the big sandwich with a great big taste that everybody's talking about.
Sesame seed bun, and we forgot the onions.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did say onions.
Are you sure?
It said onions.
All right.
2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
McDonald's Big Mac, the great big sandwich with a great big taste.
Lettuce, pickles, cheese. Hey, that's a...
Big Mac.
You deserve a break today at McDonald's.
Where your dollar gets a break every day.
Far out.
Now, wasn't that a flashback to the past? Did you know that the Big Mac was created by Jim Delegati, who was an early franchisee with Ray Kroc? He was operating several restaurants in the Pittsburgh area. Now, the Big Mac was designed to compete with the Big Boy restaurant's Big Boy hamburger. People from this area knew the Big Boy as Eaton Park. The Big Mac was invented in the kitchen of Delegati's first McDonald's franchise located on McKnight Road in suburban Ross Township. But it had a bit of a naming problem. You see, the first 2 names that were tried both failed in the marketplace. The first one, the Aristocrat, which consumers found difficult to pronounce and understand, and the second one was called Blue Ribbon Burger. Finally, the third name, Big Mac, was created by Esther Glickstein Rose. She was a 21-year-old advertising secretary who worked at McDonald's corporate headquarters in Oak Brook, Illinois. The Big Mac now, with its official new name, debuted at Delegati's Uniontown, Pennsylvania restaurant in 1967. And get this, it was selling for only 45 cents. Wouldn't it be nice to get one like that today? Now, the Big Mac proved to be a popular burger, and it was added to the menu of all of the restaurants in the United States in 1968. Now, we all know that the Big Mac consists of 2 all-beef patties, which are about 1.6 ounces apiece, special sauce, which is a variant of a Thousand Island dressing, iceberg lettuce, American cheese, pickles and onions served in a 3-part sesame seed bun. The Big Mac is known worldwide and is often used as a symbol of American capitalism and decadence. The Economist has used it as a reference point for comparing the cost of living in different countries, and they call it the Big Mac Index, since it is so widely available and is comparable across markets. The index is sometimes referred to as burger economics. The Big Mac name was popularized by a 1974 advertising campaign featuring a list of the ingredients in the Big Mac itself. In 2012, McDonald's admitted that the special sauce ingredients were not really a secret because the recipe had been available online for years. It consists of store-bought mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, and yellow mustard whisked together with vinegar, garlic powder, and onion powder, and paprika.
2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame special sauce, lettuce, cheese. It's a good time for the great taste of McDonald's.
Now, on August 22, 2007, Delegati's family, who at that point owned 18 McDonald's, decided to open a museum on the Big Mac's 40th anniversary in North Huntington, Pennsylvania, rather than its original birthplace. The museum featured the world's largest Big Mac statue, measuring 14 feet high and 12 feet wide, and has hundreds of historic artifacts and exhibits that celebrate the Big Mac. Some Uniontown residents were unhappy with the selection of the location. A McDonald's spokesperson said that this decision was based on ease of highway access. But this still does not seem fair to the residents of Uniontown, Pennsylvania. If you have ever been to Uniontown area, you know that the access to the location of the McDonald's in question is not hard to get in or out of from State Route 119. I hope you like the look into the history of the Big Mac. And what are your thoughts on this sandwich? Do you prefer the Big Mac or the Big Boy version it was made to compete with? Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notifications of any new videos that we post. Thank you for joining us today, and you have a great day.